Can dogs get hiccups? Dogs can definitely get hiccups, just like humans. Puppies are actually more prone to hiccups than adult dogs because their bodies are still developing. Dog hiccups are quite similar to human hiccups. They are usually harmless and go away on their own. However, there are some differences. For example, hiccups in dogs are more common in puppies and can be triggered by excitement or eating habits. If your dog has hiccups, there are some immediate actions you can take. Stay calm and observe your dog. Before we dive in, if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with fellow dog lovers. Now, back to our furry friends. Offering water or gently massaging their chest might help stop the hiccups. In the long term, you can monitor their eating habits, avoid overexcitement, and schedule regular vet checkups. Hiccups in dogs can be caused by various factors, such as excitement, eating too fast, temperature changes, or growth spurts in puppies. Certain foods like spicy foods, cold foods, or large pieces of food can trigger hiccups in dogs. Similarly, overexcitement during play, chewing on hard toys, or strenuous exercise can also lead to hiccups. Remember, hiccups in dogs are usually harmless and go away on their own. However, if they persist or are accompanied by other symptoms, it's best to consult with a veterinarian. Keep observing, keep learning, and keep loving your furry friend.